Hello everyone, it's me, your Vijay sir. Welcome to your social science class. Today we're going to learn lesson 3 Water Bodies, class 6 Geography. Observe the flowchart, children. In this lesson we are going to learn about oceans. Under oceans we are going to discuss about Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Southern Oceans. And under seas we are going to learn about marginal and inland seas. Under marginal we are going to discuss about bays and gulfs. Under lakes we are going to discuss about freshwater and saltwater lakes. And under rivers we are going to learn about the perennial and non-perennial rivers. Come on children, let's get into our lesson, water bodies. The presence of water is a unique feature of our planet, children. And about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. We all know that. And the remaining part is covered with land. The part of the Earth's surface that is covered with water is called hydrosphere. Lithosphere we call it as land, atmosphere as air, and the biosphere is the layer of the planet Earth where life exists. I think you all know, children, water is found in oceans, seas, bays, gulfs, lakes and rivers. Now first let us learn about oceans. The large water bodies on the earth are called oceans, children. The total amount of water on the earth's surface is estimated to be around 1,250 million cubic kilometers. About 97% of this water is in oceans. However, this water is unfit for domestic, household purpose, agriculture and industrial purpose. What could be the reason, children? The ocean waters are saline. Saline in the sense they are salty and it is unfit to be used. Do you all know, children? All the oceans of the world are interconnected. The water level in them remains the same everywhere. This level of ocean water, we call it as mean sea level. The height of the land and the depth of the ocean floor are measured from the mean sea level, children. And do you all know, children, what is the height of Mount Everest? It is 8,848 meters high. And how is it measured? Do you know? It is measured from the mean sea level, children. And there are 4 major oceans which we are going to learn now. In decreasing order of their size, they are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, the Indian and the Arctic Oceans, children. And there is one large water body around Antarctica. Do you all know that? It is called the Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Watch this video, children, to know where are the 5 oceans located on the Earth. Now let's get to know about the oceans of the world, starting with the first ocean, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the deepest and the largest ocean, children. It covers an area larger than the combined areas of all the continents. Observe the map clearly, children. The Pacific Ocean is bounded by Asia and Australia in the west and by North America and South America in the east. The Challenger Deep, more than 11,000 meters below the mean sea level, located in Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, is the deepest point in the world. Please note this, children. And about 3/4 of the world's active volcanoes are in the Pacific Ocean and the land bordering it. The world's active volcanoes form a circular belt around the Pacific Ocean. That is why this belt is called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Children, here a large number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur, children. And this Pacific Ring of Fire is in the shape of horseshoe. The shape is clearly seen in the picture. Now let's learn about the second ocean, Atlantic Ocean, children. The Atlantic Ocean probably got its name from the legendary island of Atlantis. This is a fictional island name in Greek mythology, children, Atlantis. Observe the map, children. This ocean is bordered by North America and South America in the west and by Europe and Africa in the east. It is roughly half the size of the Pacific Ocean. Its shape resembles the letter S you can see in the picture above. The coastal line of the Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. Indented means form deep notches in a line or surface. So the coastal line of Atlantic Ocean, children, is longer than the coastal lines of Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean put together. So it has a very large coastal line. Children, you all know that the Andes Mountains in South America is the longest mountain range on the land. But however, the longest mountain range of the world is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is found underwater. Can you see in the picture? Yes, it is found in the Atlantic Ocean. This underwater mountain range located in the Atlantic Ocean, children, also consists of ranges, mountain ranges and valleys. It extends from Greenland in the north to the South Atlantic Ocean, children. The islands of Iceland, Azores, Bermuda and Tristan da Cunha are parts of this mountain range, children, which rise above the mean sea level. Now let's learn about the third ocean, children, that is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean in the world which is named after a country, that is our country, India. The Indian Ocean does not open out northwards into Arctic Ocean. The reason is it is completely bounded on the north by Asia, children. So we can refer Indian Ocean as half an ocean. Observe the map, children. The Indian Ocean is bounded by Asia in the north, Africa in the west, and Australia in the east. Before we get to learn about the other two oceans, please watch this video, children.
Yeah.